The Sodastream Play Soda Maker Starter Kit. The Sodastream Play Soda Maker Starter Kit comes with the soda maker in several playful color options, so you can pick something to complement your kitchen, making it both functional and stylish. The Play works compatible with both 60 liters and 130 liter CO2 cylinders, which is not the case with all other Sodastream models. A carbonator is included in the kit. Additionally, it features several sample flavors, which is an aspect of the kit that most other options and models don't offer. This is a convenient benefit because you're likely to be thrilled to start sampling different fizzy beverages right away, but without the Sodastream flavors or Sodastream flavor alternatives, you'll end up with basic carbonated water. The setup is easy enough, yet one point of differentiation is that the carbonator is loaded at the base with the machine on its back. Most of the other Sodastream options remain upright, while the carbonator is loaded from the upright position. The manual pump option is similar to other popular no electricity or battery required options, and this makes the Sodastream Play a wonderful option.